Welcome to C# programming for beginner class. This is my 11th video, and in this video I will talk about constant variables and read-only variables. This topic is also related about variable scope. So what is constant variable, what is the read-only variable, how we can define these variables, what is different between these. So the constant variable, as it seems from the name constant, a constant variable can be modified, can be changed after we initialize the variable. So constant variable declared with the keyword of const, and the read-only variable is also as same as constant variable, but the difference between the read-only variable that we can modify, we can initialize the read-only variable only within the constructor, and we define or we declare the read-only variable with the keyword of read-only. So the constant variable can be remain as undeclared or uninitialized, but we can remain the read-only variable uninitialized, and then we can initialize that within the constructor. So let's see how we can define the constant variable, how we can access the constant variable, and either how we can define the read-only and how we can access, and we will see the difference between them. So let's come to the Visual Studio. So you can see we have a demo class, and inside this we will define one constant variable. So as we told that constant variable defined with or declared with the keyword of the const. So const integer, const string message, and as we told that we cannot remain the constant variable as uninitialized or without value. So let's see, and you can see we declare the variable but we should initialize the value for this variable, because it's a constant variable, and constant variable should be initialized during declaration. So let me assign the value message hello world. So you can see the error has finished because we assigned the value for that. And as we told, that read-only variable can be defined with the keyword of read-only. So let me define the read-only variable. Read-only in string name equal to second. So we don't need to initialize the value for that. So you can see if we remain the name variable uninitialized, so the error will not show for that. So you can see the first difference between constant variable and read-only, that it's defined with the constant keyword, and read-only defined with the read-only, and constant cannot be remain as uninitialized, and read-only can be remain as uninitialized. So you can see. So now I will initialize the value for the read-only variable within in constructor. So I will create a constructor. So public demo. So name is equal to secondary software. So you can see this is a constructor. Constructor is a class, is a function that its name is same as a class name, and it called when the function is object is created. So these are a little advanced topic. We will discuss this in advanced class. So I want to show you just that how we can initialize the read-only variable. We can initialize this within a class. We can also pass the parameter for that. We wanna pass the parameter for that. We wanna put the manually variable. We wanna change the value for the name variable manually. So I will put here a parameter string and n. I will assign the n variable to the in parameter to the name variable. So then we can assign the any value to the in parameter, and that value will assign to the name variable, and then we will show the value of name variable or read-only variable. Console dot write line in name is equal to concatenate name. So we will pass the parameter to the in string value, and this parameter will assign to the name variable, and this name variable will show here. So let me pass the value for the in read only string within the main function. So constructor can be called when the object of the class create. So I will create the object of the class demo obj equal to new. So as the constructor have a parameter, so we will assign here any name we want to assign to the name read only variable. So that parameter will assign to the name variable. In this that name value will show here. So we wanna show my name Sikandar Safe, and then let's run the program, and you can see name is equal to Sikandar Safi. So we can change the value for that, Sikandar Safi. So you can see the value has changed. So that was the difference between constant and read only variable, how we can define, how we can access them, what was the difference between them. So that's it for this video. Like and share the video. If you have any question, you can comment below in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will come up with the new C# classes, advanced C# classes, GUI, and I will also share my project experience with you. I will share project classes. I will came up with the new techniques, C# techniques. So that's it for this video. See you in next video.